table and state diagrams. Now let's look at the state diagram first. State diagram look like this. Here we are going to see one input, one output state diagram. Let's say we have a state A and then here 0 below, and then we have state B and 0 below given, and state C 0 below given, and state D 0 below given, and the one of the arrow pointing in state A pointing towards state A 0, and here 1, another arrow here, that's 1. Let's put the 0, and this one is 1, this one is 0, and this one is 0, and we have 1 like this, that is 1. Okay, so here what are these A, B, C, D? These are the states. A, B, C, D. These are the states. And let's say input is equal to X. Input is X. Output is Z. Now let's go ahead and create the state table for the given diagram. For this diagram, let's see how the state table is going to look like. So first, let's create our row and columns. We are going to have 3 columns. The first one is for the state. And the next one we're going to name it as next state. You can put it as Q prime or Q star like this. And then output. So here we are going to see when X is equal to 0, what's going to be the next state, and when X is equal to 1, what's going to be the next state, and also what's going to be the output for each of these states. We have 4 states provided, that's A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. Now from the diagram, we are going to analyze what's going to be the state when X is equal to 0, when X is equal to 1. Now here for the A, if I look at this, when X is equal to 0, where the arrow going from the A, you have to look at that. So here when the X value is 0, you can see there's an arrow going toward A, is going back to A. So it means when the input is 0, the A is going to be still A. The state is going to be still A. When the input is 1, you can see it's going toward the B. So the next state is B right here. And that's it for the A. Now let's look at the B. When the input is 0, you can see the B is going toward A. So the next state is B right here. The A right here. This one is A. And when the input is 1, B is going toward the C. So the next state is C right here. Okay, this one should be 1 right here. Okay. Let's look at the C. When input is 0, where is the arrow going? It's going toward A. So this is also A. And when the input is 1, okay, I don't have anything pointed. I'm going to put it like this. So when the input is 1, it's going to the D. So it's going to be D right here. And let's look at the D. When the input is 0, it's going toward the A. So this is going to be A right here. And when the input is 1, it's going back to the D. So the next state is going to be D right here. Let's look at the output. Output is basically the values you see below this each state. For A, no matter what you input, the output is always going to be 0. So this is 0 right here. And for B, no matter what you input, the output is always going to be 0. And for C, no matter what you input, the output is always going to be 0. And for D, it can be 1 as well. So let's make this one 1. So for D, no matter what you input, the output is always going to be 1. Okay, that's how you can, they may give you state table to draw the state diagram, or the state diagram will be given to write the state table. This is how we do. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.